just another notch on my belt. Just the last MC to scream for help. This ain't nothing new to me. This is grown folk business, y'all still going through puberty. Hit the game like a Katrina breeze, making rappers evacuees. Spit more than a mouthful of sunflower seeds. Overloaded doses, fatal raps be potent. You strike at any moment, keep your guard up, son. Lyrical jabs and roundhouses to your eardrums. Drop you to the canvas at the beginning of round one. My tongue is like a Mac 11 when I set it off. Aim to spray at these cats who think they keep it raw. Rewriting history and drafting up new laws. And leave your ass on a cold mountain with Jude Law. I'm stuck in a mental crawl, my mind is racing. So ahead of the game, it's only myself I'm chasing. Must I reiterate or can you catch a clue? And if you don't, rewind the track and find the jewels when I'm through.
I'm Charles Barkley's golf swing. I'm cyanide laced on your face, birthday cake frosting. Ready and willing, like a kung fu movie villain. So hot that it's cold, I grip controls with the Optimus hands. Rhinoceros, call me rock steady. Shred through a medley, 5 venom deadly. Denim style, Ford Chevy tough to penetrate. Let me demonstrate lightsaber, double-handed staff, Darth Maul. In the shopping mall, for one for all. Could be all worth it if I get one of y'all. Whose style will they copy next? Hopefully mine, like employees that show up to work on time. Listen, ding, 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 dong. There go the chimes. Rookies fall for the fools made every time. Trigger landmines. I'm only living this once this time. So the clock's ticking, aim high for the billions. So even if I fail, I land in the millions. Red Dragon dynamite like collapsing buildings. Y'all know which ones. I got the Street Fighter, Dhalsim, Nova Flame Tongue. In an oblong world, people mention this. Why does he speak in the fragmented sentences? To that reply, I got no fucking clue. A burst of creativity gon' do what it do. Blame the blueberry, I'm a scorpion under rocks. Do you smell me? Many chambers exist in the depths of the mind. With one judge rapping to the rhythm one time. Let's not be rash and pet the ivy vine. Up the tree of life I climb. With one of those, save me from a fall to the flow below. Tight line, I blow, the miracle grow and write good night. Out goes the light, despicable Beijing cocktail criticals. The silence critics, like the Buckeye defense in 2006. It's not hard to crack critics. MCs lack surgical spice like Mr. Pittix. My flows don't sound right coming out your lips. Snake eyes is in my mind, doing backflips. Motherfuckers.